TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 110 at trading at 18,150. Nasdaq's up 33 at 5066. You have the S&P's up 7.5 points at 2112. Gold contract flat at 1,185. You have silver down 3 cents at $16.71 an ounce. Oil. We have the oil market flat at $57.91. Bonds, the 10-year is down 7 ticks, 127.22. 30-year is off 19 ticks at 155.21. Both the bonds, folks, the 10 and the 30-year bond yesterday, they went higher. They did have wide price spread. They had accelerated volume. What they haven't done, however, is got to this swing point. The swing point, of course, where the market talks, walks, and squawks. We'll pull that up and we'll take a look at those swing points. King dollar. Now, King dollar up 238 ticks, trading at 97.64. The euro is down 20 at 108.55, and the yen is up 55 at 123.65. If we go over to the, we're going to go take a look at the SPY first. So what do we have with the SPY? SPY yesterday came down, big volume. You're doing a counter trend bounce right now, and you're coming right up to twice. Where we are right now, folks, is right at the beginning of the downdraft. The SPY's at 211.84. Bottom line is that you can never actually get into, well, the 212.16 will get tested one more time. You know, this is a normal bounce in a market that looks like it is going to go lower. If we take a look at the Qs, the NDX 100, it's the same setup in the NDX 100, and the market's no doubt a deviant beyond belief. You're coming right up to where the breakdown occurred, and that's ICE. When you look at the Wyckoff situation, what I do expect is that in the Qs, they've reached 110.20. That will get tested once again. But what we do have is that you've been down on volume. You know, we'll see whether it can get juice on the way back topside. Gold contract. What we had with gold out here yesterday, gold comes down hard. What we have is that you're under the lows of yesterday now. You still get some big volume. You get 108,000 contracts. The benchmark on this gold is 1176. 1176 is the low of the 30th of April. We did 215,000 contracts there. We did 245 yesterday. It looks like we're going to come in with some contracts today. Now, let's go to the bond market. So bonds are talking, walking, and squawking in a big way. Now, what they haven't been able to do, and this is crucial to really wrap your head around, is that they had monster volume yesterday. The 10-year did 2.4 million contracts. However, it only got to the price point of 127.30. The bond market has to make it up to 128.06 to basically change that downtrend. That's where we stand right now. What has happened today, you're going to have monster volume again today on the way down. So I expect what you actually have here is that you have a failure inside the bond market to not even make it to the swing point, which is pretty amazing. The 30-year bond thus far, we've done 133,000 contracts. That's not a huge amount, but that's still certainly, it didn't make it to the swing point. The swing point we're talking about is 157.12. Now, King dollar. What King dollar has done is this. I suspect King dollar, the turn is on King dollar. King dollar hit exactly, I mean to the tick, the 0.618 retracement from the whole move down. Pretty amazing. It hit this out there this morning. The 97.88, the 97.86 is a 0.618 retracement, or it turned right at that level. That's from the highs out there at 100.78. So what I expect you're going to see a lot of turns, a lot of volatility in this market today. Dollar wants lower price. Gold, we'll see whether it can kick up some higher price. Euro wants higher price. Markets want lower price. I expect you're going to see a lot of volatility. Dow's up 100. I suspect you're going to see that about cut in half as we go through the trading day. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're like me, you see the world's emerging nations as a very real opportunity, as these countries and their economies are developing right before our eyes. And you can rest assured that Everbank has spotted this opportunity too. In fact, they have just released the second running of their 5-year Market Safe Futures Economy CD. This is a CD that could really deliver, but you only have until June 11th to take advantage. Consider the facts. If the future economy's currencies beat the US dollar over the CD term, you'll get all of the upside at maturity. And should they lose, no worries. There's zero downside risk here, as you get back 100% of your deposited principal. Don't miss out. The June 11th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is an equal housing lender and member FDIC.